Welcome back to my Wednesday mini vlog. Today, we're baking a beautiful loaf of bread and talking about kitchen fire safety. Tip 1. Never leave your oven unattended. Tip 2. Keep flammable items like towels and oven mitts away from the heat. And most importantly, have a fire extinguisher in your kitchen and know how to use it. Look at that. Homemade bread made safely. Enjoy your baking and see you next week.
Hello my dearest, how are you guys doing? This is Rosalinda, your favorite fire inspector. So you guys know this channel is all about fire prevention, anything related to fire, food, okay? For my ladies and gentlemen who want to become firefighters or fire prevention inspectors, this is your channel. Not just only we're going to stay there, we're going to talk about Equatorial Guinea, the country I was born in, precise Bioko Island, the Bubi tribe. I'm going to be talking about Spain, which is my other home also. And in the future, I will incorporate the US. And, okay, we're going to talk about food. I love cooking. I love to eat. Okay, fashion. Although most of the time you guys will see me in my uniforms. As I'm at home today, I want to start incorporating some of my videos to be with food, which is going to be Wednesdays. All right, we're going to be dealing with food. All right, and I'm going to start, post a little bit of videos about food that I cook. Okay, and today you guys see my little fashion. It's my daughter that got me into all this. All right, so guess what? For our first video, we actually going to make bread because I love making home bread. Okay, and we're going to start with bread with my ingredients. Okay, this is 3.5 cup of flour, normal flour unbleached. I like it unbleached, so this is 3.5 cup. Okay, usually I use this cup. All right, then I have salt, which I have pink salt. I have the yeast, and I have a little bit of sugar, right? And I have my warm, not cold, not hot water. Okay, sometimes I actually use milk, but today I'm going to use water because we're going to be doing spinach bread. Okay, and my spinach already triturated. What I did, I put a little bit of chicken cube. Yes, chicken cube in my spinach. I put a little bit of water, onion, garlic, and a little bit of salt. So we're gonna do the mixture. Okay, so and then obviously I'm gonna be leaving it for an hour for the rising. So I have my stuff here, and I have all the stuff, the utensils that I'm going to be using. So let's go ahead and make bread for this week. All right, so I'm going to start obviously inputting. Okay, so I've already put my spinach triturated in the bowl, and now I'm actually going to put all the dry ingredients, right, and then mix it. All right, so we're going to mix it, and now I'm going to start incorporating the flour little by little. Okay, so I'm going to start incorporating the flour. For right now, I'm not incorporating water because since the spinach is I already have water, so I'm not going to add water yet. Okay, and the water has to be like a warm. Okay, so guess what? We're gonna put our hands in because I like to cook, and obviously you tie your hair for safety, and also I have washed my hands. All right, so we're gonna start mixing with the hands. Okay, and as we go, we're gonna start putting water. Okay, like a warm water. You can put cold water, you can put too hot water. Okay, So we're gonna keep on mixing. As you guys see, look at the mixture. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna keep this going. We're gonna keep adding little by little the water. Okay, little by little. So we're gonna mix it. And how you guys doing? How you day is going so far? I know it's a Monday. A lot of people don't like Mondays. Mondays is usually my day off, and I get to take my daughter to school, and I get to drive with my niece. Okay, so my niece spent almost the day with me because she had to go and get her written test for driving. You know, I need her to be driving soon so I can have a little bit of spare time and start doing a little bit of another things. And the thing that is like, how to explain it? You know, I do a lot of work. Okay, I work basically almost 7 days a week, but I have Monday is my day that I stay home and I tidy the house up. You know, I check everything that's needed because I don't get to see my family till very, very late in the day. Okay, so I hardly see them. Sometimes by the time I come back, it's already sleeping time, you know. So right now I've been mixing the bread, as you guys can see, and also my counter is already clean. So I clean everything before I start cooking. You know, and I don't like to have things around just because of fire. We have to keep all of us safe at home. Okay, did you guys know actually my family are all cooks? Yes, I have 2 of my brothers who are chefs. Some of them are architects, you know. So but most of my mother's side of my brothers, they've always loved kitchen. So all of us cook. But 2 of my brothers are real chefs in very, very famous places in Barcelona. So you see how green and beautiful? So now we're gonna put it back in the bowl, okay? And then cover it for about an hour. Then we'll come back when it rises, when I start doing the bread. All right, so you cover it, you leave it in a dry place, in a dry area, and leave it for about an hour. All right, so I'll see you guys here in few. It's been an hour since I came, so this is the bread. I'm gonna mold it a little bit more, and then guess what? I already preheating the oven at 350. Okay, and I have my pan. Make sure that is the appropriate pan for fire safety. Okay, that you do not put plastic or anything inside the oven. All right, so now I have my baking knife. So we're gonna cut the bread, right? Because I'm gonna do like mini breads. Okay, so we're gonna cut the bread. Look at it in pieces. Can you guys see it? In pieces. So I'm gonna put the camera a little bit more so you guys can see. Okay, I do it equally. Sometimes it doesn't come equally. Okay, it doesn't come like the same, but I tried my best. Okay, and now we're gonna start rounding it. And guess what? And also for the other ingredients, we're gonna need an egg. Okay, so we can have it really shiny on top of it. So look at it. It's just the mini bread. All right. So, and then we're gonna cut it. Okay, you guys can see it, right? And then we're gonna put a little bit, okay, and we're gonna start putting it in the tray, right? So I will be back when all is done. When all is done, no, when actually have already put everything in the baking tray, okay, so you guys don't get bored. All right, so yeah. Voila, look at it. So I already put the egg on top, right? So now I'm gonna put it in the oven because it's already heated at 350 like we said before, and I'm gonna leave it for about 25 minutes because they're mini rolls. So I'm gonna leave it for about 25 minutes, and I'll come back. And one thing that I do also when I'm cooking, as I go, I'm cleaning. Okay, as you guys can see, my space is back to cleaning. It's cleaned. So I'll see you guys in a little bit for the final review. All right, so you guys can tell me how good it look. All right, see you here in a minute. Okay, so this is the final review and tasting of the bread that I make. Can you guys get close? That's Leah and Alika.
No, my name is.
This is the green bread.
My name is.
Look, people.
We have
Could you
about
put it up
6,
higher?
7 breads in there.
Okay, I can't see it. Okay, so no, put it higher. Okay, show it like this. Bend it.
6, 7, 6, 7 on a mirror.
Okay, closer. Close.
You don't need it that close.
Okay, now you guys try it and let me know, and let my family, my YouTube family know. That is my. One to 10. Last time I did it with Kel. Today I'm doing it. It's hard.
Yeah.
Yeah. 8. And what about you, Alika?
10.
10? Why are you guys laughing? Eh?
Okay. Bye, my dearest.
Bye. You guys remember the bread that I made? That is the last piece left. So I'm going to have it with my soup. The soup is so good.